Hello, this is Bitmoji Zoo. At the top here is just the code for the Bitmoji, and then I draw the Bitmoji 4 times by putting it into this for loop, which increments the x value by 50 4 times. So the whole thing is from here to here is 200. This section of code draws the bars for the cage. This function, wait a minute, this function here draws a bar here and has the x value. It has a parameter which is x, and it multiplies it by 27, which is just the number I got to have 8 of them and surround the Bitmojis. For the patterns here, I have triangles on the top and bottom. I think there are 10 of them, and they each have these green ellipses in them. I do that by, for the triangles, adding 20 to the x value for each of these x values each time, and for the ellipses, also adding 20,